In this video, we will focus on cell wall. To start off, let us know what is the cell wall? Well, it is a thick, rigid outer layer of plant cells. So pretty much we can understand that they're not present in animal cells. We will get to know that later. So it is pretty much outside of the cell membrane, and it gives it a structure. It is made up of cellulose in plant cells, which is a really strong carbohydrate. And not only plants, it is also present in fungi and some bacteria. Remember, not animals. What are the functions of a cell wall? Well, it gives protection. It shields the cell from any damage from happening. And it also gives shape and support to the plant. It keeps the plant upright. And it also prevents bursting. When water enters the cell through osmosis, we will learn that later, then the cell wall stops it from bursting. You can say the cell becomes turgid, which is a really important term in biology. And it is also permeable, which means that it lets water and dissolved substances pass through freely. Well, now let us know why only plants and fungi and some bacteria have it, but not animals. Well, plants can't move, so therefore they need extra support. But animals, they already have a support of skeletons and muscles through which they can move easily, while plants rely on cell walls. So, when we learned about animal cells and plant cells, we learned that animals don't have cell walls and plants have cell walls. Well, from that we can understand this is a really key difference. So, if you're supposed to differentiate between these two, you should include this uh, specific characteristic of a plant or an animal cell. Well, thank you for watching. Well, video over there, and of course go through the playlist. It's all about the cells. And lastly, feel free to subscribe. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comment section and drop a like. Thank you.